Hey guys, Darlington Farm here. Just made it back to the shop after a whirlwind tour of the frozen tundra that is northern Iowa. Drove through a blizzard, didn't really like it, and yeah, I'm back here in Indiana. So anyway, yeah, basically while I was out there, I'm working in a food production plant, and yeah, you basically walk a lot. One of the guys I was working with out there wore his Fitbit and walked 18 miles in one day. So yeah, you walk a lot. You're going all around, you know, looking at pipes, figuring where pipes are going, things like that, and on your feet for 10 plus hours a day. So good shoes, really important. First trip I went out there, I just bought some cheapy ones because whenever you go into these food plants, you basically have to have one pair of shoes that's dedicated to that plant, and you can't wear it in other plants. Basically, it stays there. So anyway, I just brought some cheapies and was very miserable the whole time. I just tossed them at the end of that trip and picked up some new ones. I got to share these Keens with you here. Not really a sneakerhead. I think that's what they're called. Not really big into tennis shoes, but I really like these. These guys are the Detroit Low. You see that here. Steel toe. Meant to get composite toe when I ordered these off Amazon, and I must have ordered the wrong one, or the description was wrong. Anyway, these are the steel-toed version, and they're super comfortable. You know, you can be on your feet for 10 plus hours a day walking around. I never once had any issues with these guys. They're great. Not sure how well they're going to hold up lengthwise, but as far as just walking around inside the plant there, they're awesome. They're super comfy. You know, now the work I'm doing out there is just TIG welding, basically just TIG welding sanitary pipe. There's no, you know, 60-10 overhead, big grinder. I mean, I wouldn't want to wear these while I was doing, you know, art gouging or anything like that, but for the type of work I do, these are tremendous. I also kind of like them out here when I am just working on the mill or working at the lathe here, where, you know, if I drop something on my foot, I don't end up with losing toenails like I tend to do a lot. But anyway, yeah, really like these guys. I just kind of want to share them with you here. I was actually super excited to find them. They're like really comfortable, like really comfortable. Like they're just like running shoes. As far as comfortability goes, they're, like I said, they're steel, so they're a little heavy, but you don't really notice it. Like when you're picking them up like this, they kind of balance heavy to the front, but super comfortable. Anyway, I liked them enough. I went ahead and ordered another pair of them off Amazon. And yeah, I want to share those with you here. Like I said, boom, there you go. Detroit Low Steel Toe 13D. Anyway, yeah, back in the land of Crossroads of America. I guess that's what Indiana is. I was trying to think of what we are here, basically. And yeah, anyway, I'm home. I'm making YouTube videos, and yeah, stay tuned here. Should have a lot more content up soon. I'm trying out a new GoPro here. Audio maybe because the audio adapter for an external microphone was back ordered. So anyway, once that comes in, maybe it'll get a little better. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.